In this video, I am going to solve Kcet 2017 Mathematics paper part 4 from question number 31 to 40. So let us see the first question in this case. This based on the chapter application of derivative particular rate measurement. Usually they ask 5 or 6 question on this chapter in Kcet. Let us take first question. Find the rate of change of volume of a sphere. We have to find out rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to the surface area when radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Here given data is volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. We have to find out dv by ds, v with respect to s. So dv by ds at, this is the question mark, dv by ds at r is equal to 4. So dv by ds, v in terms of r is there, s in terms of r is there. So dv by dr divided by ds by dr. So differentiate v with respect to r, nothing but 4 by 3 into 3 pi r square divided by 4 2s are 8, 4 into 2 as it is, it can be written as it is, 4 into 2 into pi r. So here pi cancel, r cancel and 3 get cancel, 4 is also cancel, r by 2 is remaining. So dv by ds is obtained r by 2, but we have to find out dv by ds at r is equal to 4. dv by ds at r is equal to 4, nothing but 4 divided by 2 equal to the 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. So option B is the correct. So therefore option B is correct answer. So this is average question. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 32. This question based on the chapter differentiation, continuity and differentiation, particularly differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. So let us see the question in this case. If y is equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, then find the dy by dx is equal to. So I am not solving this question in an usual method, but I am solving this question by using a shortcut method. So what is the shortcut method in this case? We know that if y is equal to tan inverse of a into cos f of x plus b into sin f of x whole divided by b into cos f of x minus a into sin f of x, then directly we can write dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. So same way we can write answer of this question dy by dx. So here in this case it is given as it is, y is equal to tan inverse of a, in the place of a 1 is there, and plus b in the place of b 1 is there, cos f of x sin f of x, cos f of x, sin of f x. In the place of f of x, x is there, whatever it may be. So here x is there, f of x is equal to x. Then directly we can write answer of this question dy by dx using the formula equal to what? F dash of x. So f dash of x nothing but f of x is equal to x. F dash of x becomes 1. So answer of this question is f dash of x is equal to 1. So option D is correct. So therefore option D is correct. So this is NCERT direct question. All the students solve this question as usual method, but I am solving this question by using a shortcut method. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 33. This question based on the chapter once again differentiation, particularly differentiation of determinant. It is the mixture of differentiation and determinant. So we have to find out the determinant value by using properties. First we have to differentiate of this determinant. So already well known about differentiation of determinant. So what is the differentiation of determinant in this case? So determinant differentiation means differentiate first row, take as second and third row constant in first step, plus differentiate second row, take as first and second row take as constant, plus differentiate third row, take as first and second row as constant. Here in this case first rows are functions of x, but second row and third row are constants. So in the second part and the third part of determinant value vanish because second row and third row all are zeros. Okay, so we take only first part. So differentiate with respect to x, nothing but differentiate first row dy by dx. First row differentiation means what? F dash of x, g dash of x. This becomes h dash of x, l m n, take as constant. A, B, C are also constant. Next step 0 and next step is also 0. So only we take first step. So this is the answer. Option A is correct in this case, but option C is also correct and option D is also correct, because so here in this case rows and columns are interchanged. This is determinant. We using the formula determinant A is equal to determinant of A transpose. So all rows and columns are interchanged. Option C is also correct, but option B is not correct because if two rows, nothing but here in this case first row and second row are interchanged, the value is multiplied by -1, but here not -1 is there. Option B is wrong. So and then last option, so interchange first and second row, my answer is multiplied by -1, and then second row and third row again answer is multiplied by -1, minus into minus plus. So this row becomes third row, this becomes first, this becomes second. So option D is also correct. So usually A, C, D, three options are correct in this case. This is NCERT direct question. All the students solve this question easily. Here in this case three options are correct. Usually KCET don't ask this type of question because only one option is correct. Rare case. Okay, so take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 34. This question based on the chapter differentiation, particularly derivatives of the function in parametric forms. So now let us see the question. In this case, sin x is given in terms of t, tan y is given in terms of t. Then find the dy by dx. So it is a mixture of trigonometry, inverse trigonometry chapters. So now let us take sin x. In this case, sin x is equal to 2t divided by 1 plus t square, and tan y is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square. Now it can be written as x is equal to sin inverse of 2t divided by 1 plus t square, and y is equal to tan inverse of 2t divided by 1 minus t square. Now put t is equal to tan theta. Put t is equal to tan theta or convenient. It becomes in this place sin 2 theta. It becomes in this place tan 2 theta. Now sin remove, we get the 2 theta. Here also 2 theta. So put t is equal to tan theta, nothing but x is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is y is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We know that the formula 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta in terms of tan. Here 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta is equal to tan 2 theta. So replace this value becomes sin 2 theta. Here tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Now x becomes 2 theta. and y is also becomes 2 theta. Now differentiate. It is the right way we can differentiate x with respect to y with respect to x, nothing but in this case dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to here y in terms of theta is there, x in terms of theta is there. So we have to find out dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta nothing but 2, dx by d theta is also 2, 2 to get cancelled 1, answer 1. Option C is correct. Therefore option C is correct. So this is average question. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 35. This question once again based on the chapter differentiation, continuity differentiation, particularly derivative of the function in parametric form. Repeated question. So that let us see the question. The derivative of cos inverse of 2x square minus 1, let us take as u. This is in this case with respect to cos inverse x, we have to find out du by dv. So let us take u. In this case cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 and v is equal to cos inverse of x. So in substitution essential in this case, put x is equal to cos theta. Substitute x is equal to cos theta means it becomes cos 2 theta. Now cos inverse cos 2 theta nothing but cos theta. Here cos inverse cos theta nothing but theta. So easily we can convert noun form. Cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 and b is equal to cos inverse of cos theta. So u is equal to cos inverse of this, the cos 2 theta formula. We know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos 2 theta, and b is equal to cos inverse cos theta nothing but theta. So in this case 2 theta and v is equal to theta. Now it is right time to differentiate u with respect to v. We have to find out du by dv. So now du by dv is equal to u in terms of theta is there, v in terms of theta is there. We have to find out du by d theta divided by dv by d theta. Du by d theta 2, dv by d theta 1, 2 by 1 nothing but 2. 2 is the correct. Option D is correct. Therefore option D is correct. This is average question. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 36. Once again this question based on the chapter continuity and differentiation, particularly second order derivative. Now let us see the question. If y is equal to log x is given, then find the d square y by dx square. First we have to find out dy by dx and then find out d square y. Once again differentiate dy by dx with respect to x. We get the answer d square y divided by dx square. So now let us take y is equal to log x in this case. So differentiate first with respect to x. It becomes dy by dx is equal to, using chain rule, first differentiate log of x. Again differentiate log x, x log x. 1 divided by x log x first. Again differentiate with respect to x because we need d square y by dx square, second order derivative. So using the quotient rule we have to find out d square y by dx square. Denominator square x log x whole square. Denominator take as constant. Differentiation of numerator means 1 is 0, it becomes 0, minus next numerator take as constant 1. Differentiation of denominator using the product rule, x take as constant. Differentiation of log x 1 by x plus log x take as constant. Differentiation of x is 1. So it becomes d square y by dx square is equal to dx square is equal to minus 1 plus log x divided by x into log x whole square. So minus 1 plus log x divided by, this is x plus log x. So this is x into log x, sorry, x into log x, d square y by dx square minus 1 plus log x divided by x into log x whole square. Option A is correct. Therefore option A is correct. So this is average question. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 37. This question based on the chapter integral. Usually they ask 5 or 6 question on this chapter in KCET. Let us see the question. This question, integration of x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole square into ex with respect to x. Particularly this question based on the topic indefinite integration by using parts. We know that a formula integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x with respect to x can be written as e power x into f of x. Using this formula we have to find out the answer of this integral of this integrand. So now let us take I is equal to x plus 3 divided by integration of x plus 3 divided by x plus 4 whole square e power x with respect to x. So small change is there. This integrand converted into this type and then write down the answer. So in this case e power x, write down first. X plus 3 can be written as x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole square e power x is there into dx. I is equal to e power x as it is, x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 whole square, 1 divided by x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x plus 4 whole square. Now it is in the form of this, it is in the form. Now it becomes, in this case this is f of x, this is f dash of x. Directly we can write the answer. I is equal to e power x 1 divided by 1 x plus 4, nothing but e power x divided by x plus 4 plus integral constant because it is indefinite integral. So e power x divided by x plus 4 plus c, option D is correct. So therefore option D is correct. This is NCERT direct question. All the students attend this question easily. They ask this type of question in theory examination. It carries 2 or 3 marks. Here it carries 1 mark. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 38. This question once again based on the chapter integral, particularly indefinite integral by using trigonometric identities. It is the mixture of integration and trigonometry. So in this case let us take as I is equal to cos 2x minus cos 2 theta divided by cos x minus cos theta with respect to x. Here theta is constant, in this case cos 2 theta is the constant term, here also cos theta is the constant term, only variable x, so cos 2x cos x. So we using one formula cos 2 theta, nothing but cos 2x. We know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 and replace x by 2 theta, it can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Similarly we can write. So using this formula, this can be written as cos 2x 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of 2 cos square x replaced with, in this case theta minus into minus plus 1 divided by, as it is denominator, cos x minus cos theta with respect to x. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. It becomes 2. Take outside. 2 is the common term in the numerator. Remaining cos square x minus cos square theta. Using the formula a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, it can be written as cos x plus cos theta into cos x minus cos theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta with respect to x. Here same quantity in both numerator and denominator is there. Cancel each other. Remaining I is equal to 2 into cos x plus cos theta with respect to x. Here integrate with respect to x but not theta. So here cos theta is the constant term. So now simplify this. I is equal to 2 into cos x integration of cos x sin x, because differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus x into integration of 1 into cos theta constant, integration of 1 x into cos theta, plus indefinite integral constant c. So this is the answer. 2 into sin x plus x cos theta plus c. Option A is correct. Therefore option A is correct. So this is NCERT direct question. All the students attend this question easily. They ask this type of question on this chapter in theory examination. It carries 2 or 3 marks. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question. Question number 39. Once again this question based on the chapter integral, particularly properties of integral, indefinite integral. Some properties is there. So this is standard result. Using the standard result, I in this form f of x whole square plus a square into f dash of x dx equal to the f of x divided by a 2, f of x divided by 2 into square root of f of x whole square plus a square by 2 into square root of log of f of x plus square root of f of x whole square plus a square plus c. So using the formula directly we can write answer of this question. So first we have to convert this into this type. So square root of x square, nothing but in this case x square plus 2x. This can be written as integration of x square plus 2x plus 5 equal to square root of x plus 1 whole square, means x square plus 1 square 1 plus 4 means 2 square 5, 2x as it is with respect to x. So it is in the form. So this is f of x. In this case x plus 1 is the f of x, a 2. So directly we can write answer of this question is f of x, nothing but here x plus 1 divided by a divided by a, nothing but in this case 2 as it is here. In this case directly you can write it 2 into square root of f of x whole square plus 2 square, x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square, nothing but x square plus 2x plus 5, x square plus 2x plus 5 plus a square 2 square divided by 2 log of f of x, nothing but x plus 1 plus square root of f of x whole square a square, means f of x whole square plus a square, nothing but once again x square plus 2x plus 5, x square plus 2x plus 5 plus indefinite integral constant. So this is equal to the first option. Option A is correct. X plus 1 divided by 2 square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 log of x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 5 plus c. Therefore option A is correct. So this is NCERT direct question. All the students attend this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. They has this type of question in theory examination. It carries 2 marks. Take down. So now let us move on to the last question of this video, question number 40. Once again, this question based on the chapter integral, particularly definite integral. Find the definite integral by using properties. So in this case, the value of 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power of 7x divided by cot to the power of 7x plus tan to the power of 7x dx is equal to. I am not solving this question in an usual method. I am solving this question by a shortcut method. So we know that this shortcut method, we know that integration of 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power of n x divided by cot to the power of nx plus tan to the power of nx with respect to x is equal to, directly you can write pi by 4. So in the place of n, 7 is there, so this can be written as 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power of 7x divided by cot to the power of 7x plus tan to the power of 7x with respect to x is also equal to pi by 4. So option B is correct, pi by 4. This is standard result. Therefore option B is correct. So this is NCERT direct question. All the students solve this question easily. NCERT direct question. This is NCERT question. Because they already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. They have this question in theory examination. It carries 3 marks. Take down.